Hello guys, what's up? How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So welcome back in again consistent video. And as you know that I always record my video for my daily consistency because I want to be a fluent in English language. So that's why I just record my video as per my daily consistency because that is really very important in my life to learn, and really I'm very fascinated about this language. So that is why I'm always recording video, and as usual I'm recording without any script, just like a live video. And even whenever I just always like I feel so much blank, but yeah, I want to be a fluent English speaker, so that is why I'm always try to best record video and try to talk about randomly here and there. Basically just I want to learn English, just like whenever I have to talk in front of any people, so I don't want to think much more than, and I want to just learn sudden, and I just want to just reply in front of any people suddenly. That what I want to learn whenever I just open my camera recording myself without any further planning. So that is just giving me the potentiality, just giving me the growth what I really want to be, and just it's happening day by day just because of why I'm always recording video and just gaining some percentage of the amount of percentage, because it's very important. And that is what I'm just always suggesting the people who really want to learn this language as soon as possible, just how you can learn this language in this way. And this way is called a passive way to learn this language. I always suggest my friends, because it's very important to learn this language, so you can learn the language in an active way, and this is called a passive way. So you have a two option, and I really say that in an initial phase it will feel difficult, but after some time you will feel, yeah, it's a very working trick and it's a very worthy for you, because passive way is a very easiest way to learn this language. Very easily you can learn, you will see the growth and into 2x, because of you are learning passively. And hardly possible means I just want to suggest you, I just want to just say you what is active way and what is the passive way to learn this language. Active way means what the people is suggesting on a YouTube channel. Normally all the people like suggesting that simple thing, and you can, if you are searching on a YouTube channel, you will see the result. Like a lot of people suggesting you have to learn vocabulary, you have to learn English grammar rules, you have to read books. But I'm not saying the people is telling wrong, but the thing is that it's an active way to learn this language. You have to do a lot of work, a lot of things to do here. But in a passive way you are only working your input and output. It's a very simple way to learn this language. I just follow that passive ways for a year, so I am right now in front of you guys, I'm talking very fluently just because of I am following that simple and passive way to learn this language. And that is why I'm always explaining you can also learn in that passive way. Just you have to give input, take it input, and just give the output. That is the very easiest way. Just you don't have to do many more things. Just open your camera, record your videos as much as you can record your video, and try to talk randomly in front of camera. It is a passive way to learn. In an initial phase it's really very tough for you, I know guys, because I also went through with this situation and feeling so much tough, but I never forget and never give up. It's not in my mindset. I just want to learn in the passive way, because I know that I will be, and in a just how could I get the idea, just because of I just felt like how the toddlers learn language. He's just giving output, taking input, giving output, and that is the scenario of the toddler. So we can also learn in that way. Just we have to give output, take in input. Just open your camera, record your video. I know that in the initial phase, day 1, day 2, even a day 10, for the day 10 and 20 you will make a lot of mistakes, but it will make you a habit to talk in English, think in English, and just convey your conversation in English. It will give you the habit. even you are making mistake. So mistake, you don't have to think about the mistake in initial phase. I know that you will make mistake and how you will rectify it. It will be like it's a process, it's a procedure. You will be not able to just rectify yourself in a day one. You will be not able to just be the proficient in a day one, but after some time repeatedly you are working on yourself, you are continuously rectifying yourself, you will be the proficient. Because of you are always just analyzing your video. Just you, what you have to do, simply I want to suggest you, like you have to record video and after that you have to analyze yourself. You have to just find it where you are making mistake and where do you need improvement, and it will a very simplest way to do it. And if you are not capable to do it, you have to just watch a lot of videos and you have to consume the English videos. Lot of easiest video, you can just watch the cartoon, you can watch a picture, you will just watch the TV serials, what you really want to consume in English language. And then after, you have to open your camera. At the end of the day, you have to open your camera and just repeat it what you saw in and before time, so it will give you the idea. And after that, just you have to analyze your video where you are making mistake and where do you need improvement. It will give you a lot of benefit. It's a very easiest way to learn this language. It's a very easiest, trust me guys. It's not a so much big deal. After 2 months, 60 days, you feel the big difference between you and before. So it is a very easiest way, and that is why I'm always suggesting you guys, because I know what's the benefit of that. I know in initial phase it's a tough, that is why I'm just preparing you. It's a very tough in initial phase, but after some time you realize, yeah, it will be worthy for you, because you are just watching yourself, you are growing yourself, and you are analyzing yourself on a daily basis. So that is why I'm always suggesting you that simple thing. You will also learn this language by doing that type of thing. So that is a very easiest way to do it, and you can also learn. But trust me guys, you don't have to see the mistakes in an initial phase in a day one, day two. You just have to forget about your mistakes. You have to act like you are a proficient, you are capable, you are fluent in English language. You have to act like that. Whether you are making thousands of the mistake, don't compare, don't think about it in an initial phase, because I know that you will be better version of yourself after some months. But in initial phase, just you have to think about your output. Just just produce as much as you can. Just produce your words, just use it, and make a lot of mistake. After some time, you automatically just follow the right line in some month. Just because of that, because why I'm saying that thing so confidently, because I know that I also followed that simple rule, and right now I'm in front of you. And even right now, I'm not saying I'm so much proficient, I'm just saying like I am okay, I'm able to convey my thoughts in English language. And I am right now in front of you guys. I'm feeling so much confident. I'm lacking somewhere. I know that I also make a lot of mistake right now, but what is really improved, I know I'm able to convey my words, my thoughts in English language. And that is why I am always suggesting you, explaining you, you have to do that simple thing for constantly. If you are not able to do for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, usually you have to do for 30 minutes in a day, means 3 times in a day. 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes in the morning, 10 minutes in the evening, 10 minutes in the afternoon and night. It's upon you, but at least you have to maintain a consistency. At least in a day, for 10 minutes you have to read. And even if you are not capable, then you start with a 5 minutes, for 2 minutes, for a 1 minute, but start it and maintain the consistency. Consistency is very important. Sometimes I know that it's very difficult for the people to record video, but because of the lot of situation, I know that. But at least you have to record for a 1 or 2 minutes in a day. If you are not capable that day, then you have to do it. But approximately you have for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, you have to do it on a daily basis. If you really want to just see the result in a 6 months, then you have to do for a 30 minutes. And properly, the analyzation is very important. You have to analyze your video for a daily basis. Start a video, you have to analyze it, you have to find it, you have to rectify where you are making mistake, you have to do it, work it, and then you will see the result, what is improved in your language, tone, confident growth. The lot of there are a lot of things will be changed after some months. So you can do it that thing, and you will also be a fluent like me. I'm fluent, I'm making a lot of mistake, I know that, but yeah, I have a confidence to talk in front of any people, and that is all because of I am working on it. I'm doing hard work. I'm just making my consistency in a passive learning because I feel so much bored in active learning. So that is why I chose that simple way to learn. And it's really very fascinating with this language. So I hope this video is really helpful for you guys. And if I made any mistake, let me know in a comment section, because you all are the people who just guide me, help me. So if you think like you know better than me, then let me know what I have to improve in my videos, and where I'm making mistake and what's need to be improved. So that is for today. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself and family. Bye bye.